As we heard, the most current news of the geopolitics that UAE become the third Muslim nation to recognize and establish a diplomatic relations with Israel. Friends, from all these moves, we can see that Israel is a fact and it has emerged as an emerging player in the 21st century of changing global world. A very good evening once again, all of you. So today I am going to talk on the topic that is Indo-Israel relations. Friends, historically India and Israel, they have very good relations. In fact, in the Hebrew Bible of Jews, there have been mention about the linkage and historical ties between Indians and between the Jews. And Jewish civilization is one of the oldest civilization like that of India, and the Jerusalem and the city of Varanasi are the one of the oldest inhabited cities of the world. Friends, talking about the current or the modern diplomatic ties, then initially when Israel became a nation in the year 1948, India was not ready to accept and form an diplomatic relations with Israel. But later on we get to realize that Israel is a fact and it cannot be denied. So in the year 1992, when the realist Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao came into power, so India founded its first embassy in the Tel Aviv, and since then the relationship between India and Israel, they have deepened through various diplomatic visits. In the year 2017, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the first PM to visit Israel. And with this, in the next year, in the year 2018, both the countries were celebrating the silver anniversary of the diplomatic ties, and Benjamin Netanyahu visited India and termed this relationship as a marriage and the heaven. Friends, talking about the defense ties, then Israel has helped and catered India with several defense equipments. In fact, India is the largest buyer of Israeli defense products, and in the year 2016, Israel was the second largest supplier of arms and ammunition to India after Russia. And friends, Israel is helping in various terms to India. We know that Israel is very good at technology and they have mastered in the field of agriculture. So India and Israel, they are cooperating on the Ganga rejuvenation project, and even the agriculture action plan was set up. And friends, Israel have provided various intelligence inputs as well as the various military equipments that India has been currently using on the border side. Friends, the AWACS unmanned aerial vehicle, which was provided by Israel, currently India is using this against the Chinese aggression in the Ladakh. And also the Barak 8 missile and the Spike anti-tank guided missile, these are the military weapons that has been provided to India, and we also utilize all of them into the strike against Pakistani terrorist launch pads. And talking about the current situation, then Israel has given permission to manufacture two Israeli rifles, that is Arad and Camel, under the Make in India program. So friends, finally concluding here, I would like to say that Israel is a fact and Israel is an emerging player of the global world. So India should deepen its tie, and in fact India should rely more on Israel rather than the other nations for defense procurement, because Israel is the one which provide the sophisticated technologies to India. So that's all. Thank you.